Hey guys, today let's learn how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. So how do you necessarily go live on TikTok without showing your face, your beautiful face, and your handsome faces? Well, let's head on over to TikTok first, and of course we do want to head on over and log into the account that we wish to use. Alright, so basically once we're done logging into the account that we wish to use, all we need to do next is to head on over to the option wherein we could go live on TikTok. Of course, going live on TikTok is not really available to everyone. So as you see, I am now in my live options over on TikTok and don't really have that option as of now. But if you want to go ahead and go live on TikTok, you do need to have at least 1,000 followers, and you also do need to be active onto the application itself. Now, if you are not active onto the application, you may or may not have the option to go live on TikTok. But either way, so as you see, we do have a few examples of this specific live on TikTok without their faces. So basically, it is definitely possible for you to go live on TikTok without showing your face, as you see in this example right here, and also in this example right here as well. Let's see one right here. As you see, there's no face. A better example is, of course, right here, which is only closed with no faces. It is all the way possible. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.